Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to talk about the record service. Now, there was once a time in Jamaica, I remember this many years ago, that they had records that used to drive around and tow people's car. Used to have people that walk up and down and give you tickets. And they used to even have at one time where you could park on the road and drop toll in the toll, and if your toll expire you would get a ticket. But today, okay, look at this car in front of us now. They have literally stopped in the road, and look, two of them, one on the other side in New Kingston. Not a care in the world, just put on your hazards. There was a time when you would have records that drive around and tow them. There was a time where you had people that would walk up and down and give them a ticket. So I'm asking, what happened? Where are those records? You used to have the police used to have marked records, the police records. I don't know, I don't see them anymore. And you see the indiscipline. You just saw it a while ago at the beginning of the video. Two cars just parked and stopped in the road. Not a care in the world, because they know they're not getting any ticket. They know they're not getting towed, so they just park, put on the hazard so the people know to go around. So does anybody know what happened to those records and those persons that used to walk up and down and give the tickets? They even used to have police, because back in the day, a long time ago, I remember once I parked in New Kingston and they gave me a ticket because I was parked, I guess, on the yellow line. And I got a ticket. So I don't know, it doesn't happen today though. That's why there's so much indiscipline on the roads. When last has anybody seen a wrecker in New Kingston? The same thing used to happen in downtown Kingston. If you park wrong or you stop in the middle of the road, you would get a ticket or you get towed. I mean, I don't know. And there is a police station right there, so you don't even need a car. The police could literally walk up and down. Okay, look at this again. See the taxi stop in the middle road. The middle road, the person is standing up at the door. Unbelievable. Okay, on the left you see all these fancy cars. You see the amount of Prados. This is a government ministry. Ministry of Tourism. Look at the amount of Prados. Oh my God. Of course, you know, they get special permission to park there. But these are all government, well, I shouldn't say government cars, but it's outside the Ministry of Tourism. Oh boy, look at all those Prados. Wow. I've only seen more Prados or SUVs than that once before. When they were renaming the Highway 2000, the North-South Highway, the Edward Siaga Highway, I have never seen so many SUVs, especially Prados, and in one place in all my life. Not even at the Toyota dealership have I ever seen so many Prados. But I guess Ministry of Tourism uses a lot. I don't know. I shouldn't say that, but I'll just say those cars were parked in the parking space designated for the Ministry of Tourism. Okay, look at these cars. This is the main road. Look at them, just stop in the road. So I would really like somebody, if they know what happened, to tell us what's going on with the records. They used to tow those cars. They used to give them tickets. It's like the police don't work in New Kingston anymore. I don't get it. And then you used to have not police but other persons that would walk up and down and give tickets. I don't know if you call them traffic wardens. I don't remember, but not all the persons. There were, I'm not sure what you call them, but they used to walk up and down, and if you park illegally they would give you a ticket. So if anybody knows, I'm most curious, because it would help. There is so much indiscipline on the roads. Just driving through if we were the police and we had the authority to give tickets, we could have given out at least 8 tickets just from where this video started. And if a police car turns on its white lights, you'll see how fast those cars move. So fast. But we haven't seen one police officer in New Kingston. We didn't see one police car, not even outside the police station. So these are the things that help to just add to the indiscipline on the roads, and it's a serious problem. I'm wondering if they redeploy the traffic police to do other duties, because I remember seeing a lot. There used to be a lot more police on the road, given, like for instance New Kingston, where we just left, that drive around and give tickets and make sure everything is done in an orderly fashion. You park where you're supposed to park. I really don't know. I find it very curious. And the police had a fleet of records. They were marked police. I don't know, but there are records out there, because you see them on the road. Usually when the police call them, they come and pick up the car or whatever. But there used to be a thing in New Kingston where the record would drive around, similar to the airport, and it's like they had a contract for New Kingston. So if they drove around and they saw a car parked illegally, they didn't have to wait on the police. They would just lift up the car and tow it, I guess, to a lot or somewhere. And that doesn't seem to happen anymore. The airport is another place where the record still operates at the airport though. Okay, we're going to look at some construction on this road. A subscriber had asked us to give an update on it, but there it is on the right. Okay, if you park illegally at the airport, the record will tow you. It operates, it just drives around the airport, and when people see the record coming, they will move so quickly because they know what's going to happen. So that's the kind of thing that used to be in New Kingston. I have no idea why they stopped it, because it doesn't happen anymore. And then another way you could tow them now is if the police see the car, the police would call a record and lift them up. But that doesn't happen either, because you don't even see the police walking up and down. So I really am curious if anybody knows what happened to those services and why they stopped. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.